If you guys follow me on Instagram, you definitely have seen this already. And so this is actually a teeth whitening kit by WhiteSmile, guys. So this is a really good gift, and it's really affordable for what you get in here, guys. Oh my god, when I got this, I was like, I need this. I've been using it for the last couple weeks, and I've already noticed a difference. I try to use it every night after my skincare routine. Sometimes with the baby, I end up falling asleep because when I put her to sleep, I end up falling asleep sometimes. But I try to use this every night, and guys, it only takes 20 minutes out of your day. So even if you want to do this in the morning while you're getting ready, if someone does, if you do your makeup and you want to do this while you're doing your makeup, perfect. You do 10 minutes of the blue light and another 10 minutes of the red light, and that's it, guys. And you have the solution putting it on. I'll maybe have a clip for you guys in here just to show you a little demonstration of how you do it. Super easy. You definitely want to brush your teeth right before you do it because you don't want dirty teeth on there, and you don't want to drink for, I would say, about 20 minutes to a half hour after you do it. You don't want to drink anything because you don't want to stain your teeth. You kind of want the whitening to settle in. So I'm going to open it up right now and show you guys. So this is what it looks like, if you guys can see. Super sleek and beautiful. And when you open it, it says, "Welcome to White Smilers. Thanks for joining the White Smile community. We have created a 100% vegan and natural teeth whitening kit to give you a white smile and the confidence for you to look and feel great. Our dual light technology whitens your teeth and provides red light therapy, which gives you the freedom to be you. Don't hesitate to reach with your comments, questions, or simply tell us how your white smile is going. Thank you, the White Smile team." And then it says, "P.S. Do not forget to look under your teeth whitening kit. We included a little gift for your travels." So let me just show you what the box looks like. So this is what the box looks like. I already have been using it. So underneath this kit here is this pen here. So it does have a brush on here, and it's a click pen. Reminds me of the Touche Éclat from YSL, the concealer. But this is what it looks like. So what you do, you literally brush it onto your teeth, just like this here. You brush it all over, and then this is actually super cute. It's rechargeable, and it has the USB to recharge with. So you brush on the teeth whitening solution, and it comes with just like this here. So you pull this up, and it does come with a little guide, and then it comes with another 2 teeth whitening solutions. This is going to last you a very long time because a little goes a long way. Just like one click literally gets you so much for like the top of your, like even just like the whole top of your mouth. So this is the mouth guard dual light teeth guard. Right, you have to wash this after, but it's for my sweater. It got some hair on it. So this is what it looks like. So you press it the first time, and the blue light turns on. This is on a timer, so for 10 minutes, after 10 minutes passes, you are going to notice that it's going to stop, it's going to beep, and it shuts off. And then you want to press it again, and here is the red light. So it has some blue, but it's more of the red light technology. So you do that for another 10 minutes, so 20 minutes total, and that's it. You're done. It is so comfortable to wear this. It's not awkward at all. And I've noticed with a lot of other teeth whitening, like I feel like you drool a lot. Like there's drool that like gets everywhere. Not with this one here. Obviously when you take it off, there is some drool, let's be real. You have to be over a sink for that. But I mean, while you're doing it, you don't feel like any of that is happening. Super good, super cute. I absolutely love this. And guys, I don't know, I just really love this. I mean, I am absolutely obsessed with this. And what I like about it, guys, is that a lot of people are vegan nowadays, and I love that you have the option to have a teeth whitening kit that is for people who are vegan, especially people who it's cruelty free, so it doesn't harm any animals. So it's all good in that neck of the woods. I thought that's great. So another thing it comes with, because they do say it comes with a little gift pouch for you guys, is this here. So if you guys are traveling and you want to take it with you and you don't want to take this big box with you, you have this really cute little velvet pouch on the go. You can put it in your bag, you can put it in your carry-on, anywhere. Great. And this is really good for people who travel. You can do this on the airplane, you can do it anywhere, and I felt like this was such a great deal. So it also comes with this like little shade detector for your teeth. So when you get this, when I got this, I was like literally checking out what color my teeth were, and they were between, I would say, a 5, maybe 4 and 5. So like these two here. I drink a lot of coffee, maybe a little too much for some people, but I do drink a lot of coffee, and I am an occasional like red wine drinker, so you know that kind of stains your teeth, you know. So I would probably say I'm up to a 2 right now, and that's me not even using it every night. So I'm really happy with the actual results that this is giving me. And like I said, I don't like to review or tell you guys about things that I don't like. This is amazing. So yeah, again, I will have everything linked down below for you guys. Let me see here the price on it. The WhiteSmile Teeth Whitening Kit originally is $124, but you can get it right now for $99.98, so $100, which is amazing because these go for a lot more. And also they do actually have Afterpay for you guys, and I will have a discount code for you guys as well, but they do have Afterpay. So it says pay in 4 interest-free installments of $25, which is amazing. So if you don't want to get it all together right now, you can do Afterpay, which is amazing. So I want to thank WhiteSmile for gifting this to me and to show you guys what an awesome gift this is for the holiday season. And I believe that is it, guys.